Okay, so this time around, we happen to have a ramp set up. You can see it's elevated by 3 books. Okay, at the end of the ramp, on the opposite side, we have a Kleenex box. So that when we launch our marble down the ramp, it's going to hit the Kleenex box. It's not attached anyway, it's just sitting at the edge of the ramp. Now, we have 2 marbles. This black marble is quite a bit lighter. You see it bounces. Versus this metal marble, lots heavier. See, it makes a much bigger noise, quite a bit heavier than the first. So we're going to see how is it different when we launch the plastic marble, the lighter marble, at the Kleenex box versus what happens when we drop the heavier marble at the Kleenex box. So we're looking to see how does the heavy versus light marble hit the Kleenex box. So when I'm launching it, I'm going to leave this over here and you're going to see what happens to the Kleenex box. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to launch the light marble. So it hits, goes in, moves it just a little bit over here, maybe a centimeter on one side. My ramp is kind of tilted, so nothing goes in straight. So very little. We're going to try it again. Again, barely moved it, not very much at all. It stayed in there. So that's with our light marble. Not much movement once it hit the Kleenex box. So next I'm going to try the heavier metal marble. Okay, you can see where it hit the Kleenex box, it moved it significantly away. Hit it with a much bigger force. And again, that's the metal marble. So we're going to try it again. We're going to set it right back up. And again, the same result. We see it moves it quite a bit a ways away from the end of the ramp. And so we'll just real quickly compare one more time. Here's the here's the plastic marble, the plastic light marble. And then here's the metal marble. We see that the metal marble is really the only one that moves the box at the end. So think about which one obviously moved it the farthest. Which one is going to apply more force, this metal marble or the plastic marble to the Kleenex box? So think about the relationship. What happens when I have more mass to the force? Does it go up? Does it go down?